Now the second problem from PLA. The question is combination circuit is defined by the functions f1 and f2. Implement the circuit with a PLA having 3 input, 3 product terms and 2 outputs. So condition is clearly given. In the PLA implementation, you have to use only 3 input, means variables are 3. Then product terms also 3. Product terms also 3 means how many AND gates we have to use? Only 3 AND gates we have to use and 2 outputs. So 2 OR gates. 3 input, 3 product term means 3 AND gate you have to use. 2 outputs. So 2 OR gates you have to use. Okay. Step 1. You see the function in the previous problem, Boolean expression or this was given in the question. But here only functions are given, we have to find the Boolean expression. Because in Boolean expression only we will come to know which are the product terms. So how many the AND gates we have to use. Okay. So in first step, we have to convert the functions into K-map. Totally how many K-maps we have to make? 2 K-maps because 2 functions are given. So 2 K-maps we have to make. One is for F1. Okay. ABC. So 3 variable K-map ABC. 3, 5, 7. All these are min terms. So 3, 5, 7s are 1. Rest are 0. So now I have to group it. I will get 2 pairs. So my F1 will be AC plus BC. My F1. Second K-map is for F2. Second K-map is for F2. Okay, K-map. Function 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So now one pair. With this one I can make another pair. So my F2 is A C plus A B bar plus AC. So step 1 is over. Next step 2. Step 2 is PLA program table. PLA program table. In this table we have to mention which are the product terms we got from 2 K-maps and which are the inputs, which are the output. Everything we have to mention. Okay. So first product terms, their inputs, outputs. So the product terms are, I have AC, then BC, AB bar, AB bar. Again I have AC. AC is already mentioned here, so no need. Okay. So product terms are over. Inputs. How many inputs? A, B, C. 3 inputs, no? So A, B, C. Outputs. 2 functions, F1 and F2. These are the outputs. So F1 and F2. This is my PLA program table. Okay. So in the first product term I have A and C. In the first product there are only 3 product terms. In the first product term I have A and C. So A is 1, C is 1. There is no B. So B you put it dash. Then B and C. B and C are 1. A is dash. A is 1. C is not there, so dash. B is also not there, B is also not there. B bar is there. So what I have to put here? 0 I should put. Okay. So inputs are over. Then output. F1, F2. You check in F1 function AC term is there or not. In F1 function AC term is there or not. F1 is here. F1 is here. In this, whether do we have AC? AC is there. So should I put 1? Yes, I should put 1. Because AC term is available in F1, I have to put 1. Then BC. BC is also there in F1, so again I will put 1. Then AB bar. AB bar is not there in F1, so I will put dash. Next F2. In F2, I have AC, so 1. Then BC is not there, so dash. Then AB bar is there, so again 1. Okay. So step 2 is also got over. Now step 3. Step 3 is PLA implementation. PLA implementation. So first I have to take input here, AND gate, here OR gates. So A, B, C. A bar, B bar, C bar. So how many AND gates I have to take? From the table easily you can find. How many AND gates I have to take? 3 AND gates. One is for AC, BC, A, B bar. Okay, AC. So A and C I should cross. Here B and C I should cross. Here A and B bar I should cross. Okay, so AND array is over. AND array is over. Now OR array. How many outputs? 2 outputs. So 2 OR gates. F1, F2. Okay, so now we have to check F1, AC and AB bar. In F1, we have to cross AC term and AB bar. AC and AB bar. F2 is F1 is AC and BC. AC and BC. F2 is AC and AB bar. OR array is also. Okay, so there are 3 steps. In the first step, you are making K-map and you are finding Boolean expression for the given function. In the second one, you are making PLA program table. There you have to mention all the product terms which you got from the K-maps, then inputs, outputs, which are the term available, which are the variable available. You have to put 1, remaining all dash. Then same PLA table you have to convert it to PLA implementation. Now the next question. Illustrate how a PLA can be used for combination logic device designed with reference to the functions F1 and F2. Realize the same assuming that 3 cross 4 cross 2 PLA is available. So 3 cross 4 cross 2. Okay, means 3 inputs, 4 AND gates, 2 output, means OR gates. Okay, so 3 variables, 4 AND gates, 2 output, means OR gates. Step 1. K-map. For F1 first. Zero, 1, 3, 4. All these are one output meters. 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll get two pairs. My F1 is equal to B bar C bar plus A bar B bar cancel C. Okay, this is my F1. Then F2. Okay, my F1 F2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will get one pair, another pair. With this I can make one more pair. Okay. So my F2 is A B bar plus B bar cancel. So I will get A bar C plus A bar B. Okay. Next step 2. Step 2 is PLA program table. PLA program table. First I have to write product terms, inputs, outputs. Product terms. So product terms, first I have B bar, C bar, then A bar C, then A, B bar, A bar C again, but already I have taken it. A bar B, that is also I have taken. 4 I should get to B bar, C bar, A bar C, A B bar, A bar C, A bar B, A bar B. Okay. So product terms I got 4 product terms. Actually I should 4 only, no, because 4 AND gate I have to use 4 product terms I should get. I got. Next input A B C. A B C. So A is not there, B bar is there, so 0, C bar is there, so 0 I have to put. Again A bar 0, B is not there, C is 1. A is there 1, B bar is there, C is not there. A bar is there, so 0, B is there 1, C is not there. Okay. Then F1, F2. Outputs are F1 and F2. F1 and F2. In F1 I have to check whether B bar C is there. In F1 I have B bar C bar, so 1. Then A bar C is also there, 1. Then A bar B is not there, so dash. This is also dash. Then F2. In F2 I don't have B bar C bar, so I will put dash. I have A bar C. A bar C is there, so 1. Then A B bar is also there, 1. A bar B is also there, 1. So PLA table is ready. In third step I should convert PLA table to PLA implementation. Okay. 3 inputs, 3 class, 4 class, 2. We should remember this. So 3 inputs A, B, C. A bar. Okay. 4 AND gates. This is for B bar, C bar. This is for A bar C. This is A B bar. This is A bar B. Okay. So B bar, C bar, A bar, C, A B bar, A bar B. And that is done. Now R array F2, A by C, AB by A by B. All arrays also